Obviously we can't sleep because it's a fucking rave going on over there with a fun fair. Oh, it's ridiculous. But hiya. Jack has just gone over and he's getting real precious about his tailgate, so we thought we'd steal his tailgate, and so when he comes back he's gonna be like, who the fuck, what the fuck, someone stole me tailgate?
You steal his hinges as well.
Someone stole me tailgate. Oh, sorry, Jack. Right.
There we go. Beautiful. And a nice hinge there as well. Night, Jack.
Oh,
What's going on here?
Is it alright?
Took my tailgate.
took my tailgate.
Oh, yes. Bastards.
Safer in here than on your truck, mate.
Yeah, that's very true. I'm going to steal one of yours, like now.
We got a few different engines. So what's this? A 1.6 diesel, is it?
Yeah.
And then we've got Kieran's here, which is a 16 valve.
2 litre.
And then we've got this one, which is a PD 150. And we got mine, which is a 1.6 gasser. And then we've got yours, which is ABF.
Same as Kieran's, but on carbs instead of injection.
And then Sam's with the PD 130. So pretty much the same model vehicle, pretty much different engines, different setups at least.
Red's a bit boring though, don't you?
There's a lot of red. I'm seeing a lot of red here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. interesting fact whilst I'm here. Just behind me here, this is dirty diesel, rolling coal. Behind me here is the P&O cruise named Britannia, and me and Chloe actually took Britannia to Norway, and it was very, very lovely. So there we go. That's where me and Chloe stayed on that for a week, and we cruised from here to Norway. And then if you look to the right of the vessel, we've got the Queen Mary 2. It's mad, isn't it? Headline is looking good, isn't it? Well, there you go, guys. Another video, my first car show. I had such a great time just seeing everything in person. Really, really fun. Definitely going to go again next year. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please press the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and definitely have a look at the Instagram. Follow me at the Monster Rabbit, because we're going to try and plan another Caddy camping trip. Definitely next year, but maybe this year again as well. So if you are interested, if you've got any Volkswagen Mark 1, Mark 2, not really fussed, and if you want to come camping with us, we're going to do our own private little thing. So if you want to get involved with that, then please do just say so on Instagram, and we'll try and arrange something. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.